Georgia Outdoors Radio, taking a quick check of that Bear Country forecast for us and for today. Going to be heavy rain expected. Daytime high is only going to be near 47. Most of the rain moving in after 1 o'clock. 90% chance up to 3/4 of an inch possible tonight. 100% chance of rain. Evening low is going to be down around 44, and 1 to 2 inches of rain expected, and patchy fog between 1 and 2. Sunday, rain moving out in the morning, making way for a partly sunny day, and highs to be near 56, chance of rain 60, and wind gust out of the west 10 to 15 miles an hour. Heading down to Lake West Point right now, and our good friend and listener, Arnie Davis, been tearing them up on West Point. Arnie, how are you this morning?
Doing well, Brad. Just out on the lake, just got the boat out, fixing to try to get some bait.
Excellent, excellent. Well, how has the striped bass fishing been on Lake West Point?
It has been very good for us the past 8 weeks. November was really good. We had 20, 30 fish days. There was 4 or 5 weeks in a row there. We had multiple fish over 15 pounds in one outing. So the lake has been very generous to us this fall, this winter.
Excellent. Now, what has been the more productive part of the lake? Up the lake, down the lake?
We've been concentrating on the northern part of the lake mostly. I tell you, probably from Wadaki Creek all the way up to the pump houses on Main Lake. We've really stayed on the north side and hadn't had to move from there. Yeah,
excellent. Now, what kind of techniques you been using to catch your fish?
In November, we were using planer boards, balloons, ready rigs, larger baits. They were really productive out on Main Lake, River Channel. Not really marking a lot of fish, just picking up some singles and getting a good spread out and just, trying to plow through them.
Right on. Now, these days, currently you've been fishing there. What kind of areas have you been fishing as far as water depth goes and, miles of creeks or things like that?
Well, like I say, November was kind of more out in the Main Lake Channel. We had our best action. But here over the past 2 to 3 weeks, we've moved back up middle of the creeks and a little shallower. Now, we're still staying more towards the creek channel, the edge of the creek channel, but back up in shallower water, 28, 30, 32-foot bottom.
I hear you. All right, well, Arnie, we certainly appreciate the information and wishing you the very best today. Look forward to catching up with you later on in the week and see how the fishing panned out for you today.
Very good, sir. Thanks for having us, and Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year to you too, my man. Talk to you soon.
Very good. See you.
All right, bye now. That's Arnie Davis down there on Lake West Point. This is WEKS 92.5, Zebulon, Sonoy. Special guest now joining us in the studio, Jim Farmer of Castaway Bait and Tackle. Good morning, Jim.
Good morning, Brad.